He said thank you once again to Mr. Donald Brown and his family for giving us these items to enhance effective teaching and learning. And we shall keep it in good shape and also under tight security for generations. Thank you.
We monitor.
The presentation is ongoing.
Where's the keyboard?
Computer keyboard.
Computer keyboard. Yeah, there's a press.
Items are being identified.
System unit.
We have the monitors, the keyboard, the system units, all in place. The headsets, the web camera.
We have camera. The basic we record. Camera back.
So everything is intact here. And also a 4G network.
4G router.
An internet connection.
This one is 4G router.
4G router, and it has been installed with bundles.
308 gigabytes.
And it made 8 gigabytes for
wireless adapter.
Effective browsing, and also wireless adapter for the system units. And an extension board.
You cannot mention all.
So all the items are intact.
Now,
can you bring the system units?
We know internet.
Can you send this? Where the printer?
No. We did 100 meters. That was between their browser. That's your home. Mom, when you phone, Mom will be seen between this your 2 offices in crowd, and I have 2 computer lab between now. When you be doing what baby in a performance.
So the headmaster is informing them that if you want to gain an internet access, with just 100 meters away, you can stand behind there and get on net with ease, and also search information on the net with the help of the internet connection. Our colleague teacher, that's Mr. Akubiro Fred, just made an announcement on the donors, those who came to support us. He mentions their name, and we are giving thanks to them. And they are Mrs. Shirley Blount. We thank you, Mrs. Donald Brown and George Ofori. We thank you, sir. We thank you, madam. Mr. Adam McDuffie, we also thank you, Mr. Mrs. Dinah Bigby. We give thanks to you, Mrs. And Mrs. Helena Field. We appreciate your effort, Mrs. Mr. Richard Sherman, we give thanks to you, sir. Mrs. Sheila Bracy Ligons, we give thanks to you, Mrs. Thank you very much for giving us support. Miss Carrier, thank you very much, Miss. We also have Miss Idris Ajia. Give thanks to you, Miss. Mr. Larry Hillman, thank you very much, Mr. Miss Lanika Lesedi. Miss Lanika Lesedi. We thank you very much, Miss Sheila Amruch. Miss Sheila Amruch. We thank you very much, Miss. And we also have Miss Shirley Blount. Mrs. Shirley Blount. Mrs. Shirley Blount. We thank you very much, Madam, for giving us the support.